Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we will be discussing pattern 4. So the problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say if n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like as below. First line should have only a, second line should have ab, third line should have abc, fourth line should have abcd, fifth line should have abcde. So let's solve this. So first, as usual, we'll start with I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So this will decide how many number of lines we'll be using. So for n is equal to 5, 0 to 4 we will use 5 lines. Now the inner for loop. So we have to print a character ABCD. So we'll use char ch. For ch it will start with a and go till we will go till ch less than or equal to our a plus the I value and ch plus plus. So what will happen? It will start with a for the first time, and when it gets added 1, so it will print a and a plus 1, that is b, and print it out. So system dot out dot print our character ch. And after the for loop, for each line we have to print a new line. So system dot out dot print ln, that would print a new line after every for loop, and with the outer for loop would run for 5 times. Let me submit this. Yes, both the cases got accepted. Let me submit this code. So all the 22 cases have passed. Thank you friends.